Welcome back to Elevate with Enbody. You can't scroll social media right now without seeing AI. AI videos, AI voices, AI agents, AI replacing jobs everywhere. Everywhere you look, somebody is talking about how AI is changing the world. And because of that, everybody seems to be asking the same question. Is AI going to take my job? I think that's the wrong question because after watching what's happening over and over the last couple of years, I've come to a different conclusion. AI isn't taking your job. Invisible people are losing their jobs. And there's a huge difference. Most people think AI is creating the problem. I think AI is exposing the problem. So let me explain. Recently, I helped a high producing loan officer make a career move. And what happened taught me something that was very little to do with mortgages and everything to do with where the business is and where it's heading tomorrow. This loan officer was already successful, but he wanted more. He wanted control of his own P&L. He wanted a bigger voice in his operation. He wanted more influence over how things were going to get done in his branch. He wanted to be surrounded by people focused on his growth. And trust me, he had options. Some of the biggest companies in the industry wanted this guy to join their company. Companies with bigger brands, bigger marketing, and definitely bigger budgets. Bigger recruiting budgets don't always win though. Some even offer significant signing bonuses. We didn't. In fact, we didn't offer a signing bonus at all. So why did he choose us? Because most of them approached him through a report. They saw production. They saw volume. They saw numbers. What did I do that was different? I showed up. We sat down face to face. We talked about his goals, his frustrations, his vision, the business he wanted to build for himself and his family. They saw numbers and how it would adjust their bottom line. I saw a person. I wasn't trying to convince him my company was the answer. I was trying to understand the future he wanted to create. And in the end, that mattered more than the signing bonus. That mattered more than the brand on my business card because people still choose people. People still trust people. They want to. They want relationships. And that's exactly why I think people are asking the wrong question about AI because AI can automate information. Of course, AI can automate tasks very easily. AI can automate the process. It can automate the content. It cannot earn the trust. And the more I think about it, the more I'm convinced transactional leadership is not valuable. Think of it like this. The world became faster with AI, more automation, things are more digital. And because of that, trust is becoming more valuable, not less. Relationships are becoming more valuable, not less. But the more that some of these companies are depending on their AI and their fancy reports to grow their businesses, they're losing some of that because they start the conversation with like this. Hey, Chaz, this is Tim over at ABC Company. I was just taking a look at your report from last year and I'm blown away, dude. You are doing fantastic. Holy crap, 70 million? That's amazing. ABC Company would like to make an offer to you. Based off that volume, we would love you to have one of our newest P&L opportunities in your market. That comes with a $75,000 signing bonus. Really? Wow, that's super cool. I've never had somebody to offer me money just to work for them, other than when I do my job, by the way. So the reputation that some of these companies are coming at people with has lost the value of the person. So it's less, not more, which brings me to something every loan officer and probably most of you realtors understand. You business owners should pay attention. The salesperson, the leader of your company moving forward, the commodity that they bring to the table is going to grow if they're not invisible. If you're invisible, you're replaceable. Replaceable people rely on transactions. Irreplaceable people build relationships every day. Replaceable people are known for what they do. If you're irreplaceable, people are known for who they are. And that's why I believe that most dangerous thing right now, at least to become unemployed because of AI, is to become invisible. Invisible should be the thing you're scared of, not AI. Because if you can still bring the person-to-person connection in your position, you have an opportunity. Because there's still enough people that want that actually despise the other part, or they find fault in it. They look for the fault because it's not the signing bonus that gets people's attention. They feel good about it. But you know what makes them feel better? Sitting down and listening to their goals and being able to say, we're not the right fit for you because of these reasons. We could be the right fit for you because of these reasons. What could I do to help you get to that goal? What could our company do to help you achieve those goals? These are the things that AI hasn't been able to replace yet. I'm not saying they won't figure it out. I'm sure it's coming. And AI is making so many things painfully obvious. Because if nobody knows you, nobody can trust you. If nobody trusts you, nobody can refer people to you. And if nobody refers you, you're forced to compete with everyone else on price, technology, and convenience and signing bonuses. And it's a race to the bottom. The people thriving over the next decade won't necessarily have the biggest company. They won't necessarily have the most experience even. They'll be the people who built trust today. They built relationships today, visibility today, community, reputation today. Those things compound, and those things are incredibly difficult to replace. So here's my challenge for you. If AI could do 80% of your job tomorrow, what would still be making people choose you? Would they choose you because of your relationships, your reputation, your leadership, your trust, your visibility? Or would they choose you because of something a machine could eventually replicate? Because I don't believe AI is creating the gap. AI is accelerating the gap, possibly. And the people who win won't be the people hiding from AI. They'll be the people building something and utilizing AI to help with relationships, with reputation, and your community. Because at the end of the day, people don't follow technology. They use it. People follow trust. Until next time, keep elevating your business and your brand.